Good morning, boys and girls. So, lately we've been talking a lot about money. And so, today we're going to take it to the next step and we're going to actually be buying some stuff with money. As you can see, our room is set up just a little bit different than it normally is. And that's because we are going to be having a classroom store. Our fifth grade helpers are going to come and help, and they are going to help us with buying different items in the classroom store. So first, let's just do a really quick review. So if we have a $1 bill, how much is that worth? What number? Nice job. It is worth $1. Okay. I know we've also been working on some equivalents. We'll do that in just a minute. $5 bill, how much is that worth? Nice job. $5. And then our $10 bill is worth what? $10. Now, before we move on to our cents, our change, let's do some equivalents that we just got pointed out. So how many $1 bills does it take to make $5? Very nice. We need 5. What about how many $5 bills do we need to make 10? So if I have one $5 bill, I have $5 and I need to get to 10. So how many other $5 bills can I have? 1. We can only have 1. So if I have a $5 bill here and a $5 bill here, how many $5 bills do we have? Very nice. We have 2. Good job. That was a hard one because that's kind of moving into multiplication. We haven't got there yet. All right, now we're going to move down to our change. So we're going to look at a penny. How much is a penny worth? Yes, right, 1 cent. So we're going to put, remember we always use our dollar sign. We have a decimal, then we make a 0 and a 1. Good job. What about a nickel? Very nice. It is 5. So dollar sign, decimal, 0, 5. Good job. And a dime. Wonderful. We have our dollar sign, a decimal. Do I need a 0 before my number? No. Good job. Because I just need the number 10. And how much is a quarter worth? Very nice. So dollar sign, decimal, 25. Good job. So now that we've kind of reviewed, we're going to go over how it's going to look like when we go shopping in our classroom. So we are going to grab, now everybody should have one of these on their desk, okay? So this is your grocery store sheet. Now I'm going to read the directions. This week we're going to practice adding and subtracting money. So we're going to be focusing on our decimals. Suppose we give you $25 to go to the store and buy 5 different items. You can buy whatever 5 you want. You cannot spend more than the $25 you have. Complete the chart to show what you would purchase and how much each item cost. So, everybody, I want you to take your pencil and I want you to underline the amount of money we can spend. We can spend $25. We cannot go over our $25. So, we're going to do this activity together, and then tomorrow we're going to be on our own with our 5th grade partners. So here are some items that you'll see tomorrow in the store, okay? And there'll be actual things that you can get, but these are just some examples. So we have juice, soup, cheese, butter, dog food, cereal, pasta, milk, candy, and apples. And you can only buy, you can buy more than 5 things. You just can't spend more than $25, okay? So if we were to look at our list, and we have to write them down as we go, and then we have to figure out how much money we have left. So on my piece of paper, okay, what's the first item we are going to be buying? So you can write on this. We are going to do this as a class. What's the first thing we're going to be buying? Okay, so somebody said they wanted candy. So candy is $2.75. So are we going to be adding $2.75 to our $25? No, we're going to be doing what? Taking away. Very nice. So we have 25. Now, we have a decimal. What should I be adding after my decimal to make it easier on us? Very nice. We're going to add our zeros. And like we just heard, we're going to be subtracting. Okay? How much should we be subtracting? 275. Very nice. Okay, so here comes the hard part. We've really been working on our subtracting 3-digit numbers, but now we're doing our decimals. Okay, can I take 5 away from 0? No. So I need to borrow. Can I borrow anything from that guy? No. So we need to borrow again. So we're going to borrow from this one. This turns into a 4. Good job. What does that make that? A 10. Now, does this 10 help us over here with this 5 if we're looking at our place values? So watch. Does that help us at all with that number? No, they're totally different. So what should we do to that 10? Okay, and the 10 becomes a what? 9, very nice. And then this becomes what? 10, good job. What is 10 minus 5? 5. What about 9 minus 7? 2. 4 minus 2? 2. And we have a 2 here. So now what do we have to bring down? We have to bring down our dollar sign and our, good job, our decimal. So we have $22.25 left. So what I want you to do on your sheet, and I'm going to fill this out with you guys, we put candy down, and candy is $2.75. So now, if we're doing that, you know what I'm going to do over on the side to help me know this is how much money I have left? I'm going to write $22.25. So $22.25. That just lets me know how much money I have left. Now, if there is something that you want more than one of, absolutely, start writing it down. That's totally fine. But this is just us together. Tomorrow you're going to have different items and different prices, but this way you know what's going on. Okay? So, our next item, I'm going to give us a bigger one. So, you all know that Miss Squires is obsessed with her dog. So, we're going to get us some dog food for $4.50. So, we have our $22.25. Are we going to add or subtract? Very nice. We're going to subtract $4.50. And you know what I'm going to do? Just because I like those lines being there to help me know where I'm going, I'm going to finish drawing those. We're just going to keep those lines going all the way down. Can I do 5 minus 0? Nice. I can. It is what? 5. Can I do 5 or 2 minus 5? No. So what do I need to do? I need to go to this friend over here. My 2 becomes a what? A 1. And then my 2 over here becomes 12. Good job. What's 12 minus 5? Oh, I heard 7. Good job. Ooh, this is where it gets tricky. Can we take 1 minus 4? No, so we need to take away from this 2. So this 2 is going to become a 1. And this one's going to become an 11. Good job. What is 11 minus 4? We got another 7. And 1 minus 0 is 1. We got to drop our decimal and our dollar sign. So $17.75 is our new total. So I'm going to put dog food Yes, we did have to get Oliver his dog food. Yes. And that was $4.50. And I'm going to put my new total out to the side, which was $17.75. Okay. So now we've done candy and dog food. We still have a pretty good amount of money left, don't we? What if I wanted, ooh, let's do cheese. So cheese is $2.55. So we're going to come over here. We're going to, subtract our $2.55. But this one might work out nice, won't it? What's 5 minus 5? 0. 7 minus 5? 2. 7 minus 2? 5. And 1 minus 0? 1. Good job. Yep, drop it all. Okay, so I want you to write that down on that sheet really quick. You're going to write under food item cheese, price $2.55. And then on the side, if you want to, you can write $15.20. This tomorrow will keep you from having to go back and recounting all of the money that you have, because you will have play money that you'll be handing me. So we have $15.20 left. You know what we're going to do? We're going to stop and we're going to draw this in money. So what's the first dollar bill I could use for $15.20? Okay, I heard a 10. Nice. Okay, so we have a $10 bill. What else do we need? That only gives me $10. What do I need to finish out my 15? Okay, so you can do a 1. You'd need 5 ones, though. Is there something else we could do that would keep us from having to draw so much? Okay, we have a 5. Nice job. So there's our 15. I almost wrote 15 on the dollar bill. All right, there's our 15. What about our cents? Now, a quarter is worth 25. So could I do that, or is that too much? That's too much. Very nice. So what could we use? Okay, I heard somebody wants to use a nickel. And we have a nickel is worth 5. Okay. What else? Oh, we want to do 2 nickels. Okay. Could we add those 2 nickels together to make something else? Very nice. We could make a dime. But I'm okay with using 2 nickels. That's okay. And so if we have a dime, which is 10 cents, we need 10 cents more. What else could we do? Instead of using 4 nickels, we could do what? 2 dimes. I love how we are using those math brains to solve our math problems. So we just took our $15.20 and we made it into dollar bill and change. Very nice, guys. Okay, so we're going to get ready and we're going to finish up this sheet. And then tomorrow, I just want to explain this really quick for you. Tomorrow, when your 5th grade partner gets here, you're going to have the same exact sheet. It's going to look just like this. Prices are going to be different. Items are going to be different. But you're still going to be expected to put what it is, how much it is. You can use the back, or you can have a scrap piece of paper to like show your math like we did on this. And there might even be a time when you go to buy something from one of our adult helpers or myself or our paras, and you might have to show them how to write that in cents and dollar bills. So you might have to do that drawing we just did, okay? So we're gonna finish up here, and then we're going to watch a fun, quick little video on money math.